how to catch a cicada.
Alright, there's the cicada right there. Little bitty cicada.
Alright, you ready for catch? Mama.
What?
I'm scared.
What are you scared of? He can't bite you.
I'm just scared that he might fly away.
Just get him.
I'm not ready. Okay. I just want to poke him.
You might hurt him. Just catch him. Well, poke him with your finger. Don't poke him with nothing hard. Don't hurt him.
Obama. You catch it on videotape. Okay?
No, you catch it, not videotape.
I'm afraid he might fly away.
You didn't get him yet?
I don't want to do it.
You're the one that said you wanted to catch a cicada.
I know, but...
That's an easy one. At least he's not flying.
Well, Mama, I'm afraid he might fly away.
Well, he won't. Just get him.
No. I want me to videotape and you catch him.
What?
I want you to videotape and you... Mommy, will you put it in my hand? Because I'm afraid he might bite.
He's not gonna bite. Just get him. You're almost there. Just grab him.
I can't. I touched him. Whoa. Oh! Mommy! Scared. Mommy, you scared me.
I'm sorry. Why are you crying, baby? All he did was squiggle.
I know, but scared me.
I'm sorry, baby. Oh, bye-bye, little cicada. Say bye-bye.